This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, everyone has been talking about the CAT system. I was talking to CSI about it earlier today, and everybody knows by now that they want retail investors, anybody who sells or buys stock, to pay for the CAT system. And you know what? I have no problem with us paying for the CAT system. I mean, Ken Griffin has complained about he didn't want to cover the cost of the CAT system. Well, they have pushed that cost onto the consumers. Every option you do, every share that you sell, there will be a small fee attached to pay for the CAT system. And if we are paying for the CAT system, then we should be able to have access to that data. That's really the bottom line. If we are paying for the CAT system, then we should have access to that CAT system data. It should be on a public website where retail investors can access it whenever they want. So we can see if the bad actors are engaged in naked shorting AMC, GME, MULN, SoFi, Neo, or whatever stock we want. If we are paying for the CAT system, we should be able to go online, put a stock symbol in, and see exactly what the trading history is and the blue sheets are for that trade. I mean, if we are paying for it, then we should have access to it. But you know what? These criminals, they're going to force us to pay for the CAT system, and then you know what's going to happen? We won't have access to it. They won't deliver the information when they're supposed to. And even when they do, and there is fraud and corruption in the play, nobody's going to enforce it. Okay, the SEC is going to see the fraudulent trades. The DOJ is going to see the fraudulent trades. The FBI is going to see the fraudulent trades. And they're going to do absolutely nothing. So what we have to do is we need to talk to our politicians, local, state, and federal, to ensure that if retail investors, if market participants who are buying and selling stocks, buying and selling options, are paying for the CAT system, then we should have 24-hour access to that information. It shouldn't be just limited to the SEC or to the bad actors. Okay, that's really the bottom line. If we're paying for it, we should have access to it so we can see exactly what these bad actors are doing or what they're not doing. And if they are not putting out that information in a timely manner, if they are blocking the CAT system from doing its job, if they're blocking the CAT system from seeing those algorithmic trading, then you know it's time for civil action. It's time to take them to court. And this time, we won't have to fight with them for the blue sheets. We won't have to fight with them for the trading history because we will already have it. And I think that's more of what they're afraid of. They're afraid of putting out that CAT info because once that CAT information is out there, we will have access to that data. And then once we file civil lawsuits, and you know more civil lawsuits are coming. I mean, I have a few planned based on everything I've seen over the last 4 years. And when we do, with the CAT system available to the masses, we are not going to have to fight with them for the blue sheets. We're not going to have to fight with them for the trading history because it's already going to be readily available when we file those lawsuits against these bad actors for robbing and stealing from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules, and our regulatory agencies that sit on the sideline and act like they don't see anything wrong in the marketplace. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that since they want us to pay for the CAT system, should we have 24-hour access to CAT system information? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.